Businessman arrested for impregnating underage girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 26-year-old Clarendon businessman has been arrested and charged for allegedly impregnating an underage girl. The man was charged with having sexual intercourse with a person under the age of 16 years. A court date has not yet been finalized for the accused man. Police said that from information received, the businessman and the child were in an intimate relationship between August 2021 and September 29, 2022. It is reported that the accused had sexual intercourse with the complainant several times, resulting in her becoming pregnant. A report was made to the police, and the accused was located and pointed out by the child in an identification parade. He was arrested and subsequently charged. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.